8 brilliant things you can do with your smartphone. Number 8. Handy GPS. Not all of the phone tips are about convenience. Some are also about safety and easy navigation. The Hudway app allows you to project your phone screen onto your windshield, giving you access to your driving speed and GPS-enabled map. Hudway is an intuitive app which also displays live views of a driver's route and alerts drivers of upcoming obstacles, traffic jams, or accidents. The app is easy to use and has a great interface. Keep watching for some even more brilliant smartphone hacks that will blow your mind. Number 7. Manage texts through email. Has your phone ever died while you were waiting for an important message? This particular tip will be particularly useful to you. You can sync your phone to your computer or tablet using apps like MightyText. They allow you to manage your SMS and MMS from your email. All of your messages that are linked to your phone number will appear on your phone screen. MightyText allows its users to get phone notifications on their computer. Not only can you get text notifications, but you can also get notifications from apps like WhatsApp, Uber, Snapchat, Instagram, and more. You can also use the app to sync your photos and videos. This app only works for Android users. So if you have an iPhone, you're out of luck. Number 6. Apps that help you make tough decisions. Having a hard time making the right decision? This app will definitely help you. It's called Decision Crafting, and it's pretty simple. Name your options, set characteristics, let the app suggest the best choice for you. This Android app is designed to help users make easy, objective decisions. If you've ever had to make a decision and felt overwhelmed by the process, this app helps you by comparing your options and choosing the ones which are most beneficial to you. Number 5. Safety. If you've ever had to walk home late at night and felt unsafe, this next one on our list of smartphone hacks is perfect for you. The app called Be Safe will send an SOS message to your emergency contacts, record audio and video, track your GPS location, and set a timer that will automatically send an alarm to your friends unless you turn it off in time. As an additional bonus, it will also send a fake call to save you from a bad date. This personal safety app allows users to create a social safety network. It alerts individuals with notifications in the event that you are in an emergency or feel unsafe. With cool features like SOS button, voice activation, live stream, a siren feature, and more, this is the ultimate safety app for those of you who want that added protection in your lives. Number 4. Measuring tape. Measuring tapes are just one of those household items that are always lying around when you don't need them and absent when you do need them. The app Size Up is able to help you with this challenge as it's able to measure just about anything through your phone's camera. This digital tape measure app allows its user to measure the length, height, and width of a surface, all through the convenience of your own phone. The interface is extremely user-friendly, and all you have to do to use it is to place your smartphone on the surface you are measuring, hit start, move your phone in a straight line, and press stop at the endpoint. Easy peasy. Number 3. Checking the battery power of your remote control. If you're unsure whether your remote control batteries are out of power, just pull out your smartphone and launch the camera app. Next, point your remote control at the camera and press any button. If you see a red or pinkish light beam out of the tip of your remote when you're looking at it through your phone's display, it means the infrared signal is working perfectly and the problem is the batteries. So instead of running out of your house looking for batteries the next time your remote control batteries are dead, pull out your smartphone and try out this handy-dandy hack. Number 2. Voice commands. Here is another one of our smartphone hacks. You can use your phone without touching it. You can do this by using the voice command tool on your smartphone. Voice commands allow you to perform this awesome trick, and they're perfect for when your hands are busy or if your hands are dirty and you don't want to touch your phone. Whether you want to send a text, make a call, or even send an email hands-free, your smartphone's voice command feature lets you do it all. Voice commands also let you do all sorts of other things, including setting a timer or alarm, setting reminders, scheduling calendar entries, launching apps, playing music, getting sports scores, checking the weather, getting movie showtimes, and much, much more. Number 1, screen mirroring. Screen mirroring apps are next, and there are tons to choose from. Whether you are using them to share a video from your phone or share some vacation pictures, apps like Chrome Remote Desktop will definitely save the day. Screen mirroring is quickly becoming one of the most popular things to do on a smartphone. It allows you to mirror what is on your smartphone screen to your television screen. It's super handy and extremely convenient to use, and it's a lifesaver for people who like to do things like watch Netflix on their phones and want to mirror what they're watching on their TV screens. Smartphones can basically do anything these days. They have changed the way we use our phones and are continuing to change as technology advances every day. Today, most people can't imagine a life without a smartphone. Many people born after the millennium don't know a world without cell phones. But believe it or not, folks, that world did exist. Just consider yourself lucky that we are living in a time where technology is changing the way we live, make decisions, and work. Who knows what the next 5, 10, and 20 years have in store for us? These days, phones have so many features that they've replaced many of the tools we used to use in our everyday lives. This includes things like calculators, rulers, watches, recorders, maps, and music players, which are now technically obsolete. In this day and age, our phones can do pretty much anything. They're basically like little miniature computers that we carry around in our pockets. Despite the fact that we can do almost anything with smartphones, there are actually some interesting facts and helpful smartphone hacks and apps that many people don't know about that can make our lives even easier. And besides, who doesn't like more life hacks in their lives? Hacks make life easier, save us money, and also save us time. From apps to settings we can turn on and off on our phones, smartphone hacks are a way of life. There are lesser-known smartphone hacks that your device can also perform, and some of them are so useful that you'll be amazed that you didn't know about them before. These ingenious features are pretty straightforward and will definitely come in handy. Soon enough, the only possession you're going to need is a phone. Did you know about any of these smartphone hacks? What are some of your favorite hacks from this video? Let us know by commenting below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.